X cubed minus y cubed over x squared minus y squared equal to 1. Okay, so let's factorize. We have two identities, x cubed minus y cubed equal to x minus y. The first one is this, x squared plus xy plus y squared. Let me tell you. In this problem, x and y are integers. The second identity is x squared minus y squared is x minus y times x plus y. Now, if we do this factorizing in numerator and denominator, it will be x minus y, x squared plus xy plus y squared, all over x minus y times x plus y equal to 1. Now, here we want to cancel this, and we know x minus y, x is not equal to y, because then the denominator will be 0. We cancel these two things, and then we cross multiply. It will be cross multiply times 1, x squared plus y, xy plus y squared equal to x plus y. Okay, now we have this equation, and we want to find x and y equal to what? Now, we can consider this as a quadratic function or equation in terms of, for example, x. How? I take all things to left hand side, it will be x squared plus xy plus y squared minus x minus y equal to 0. So it will be x squared plus x times y minus 1 plus y squared minus y equal. So by using quadratic equation, if you have ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, then x equals to negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Here, if you use it, x equal to negative b negative y minus 1 plus minus square root of b squared y minus 1 squared minus 4 times y squared minus y all over 2 times y minus. Okay. Now let's simplify. Here, sorry, over 2a, a is 1, so over 2 times 1. Okay, let's simplify. Okay, we can say it is negative y plus 1 plus minus. So here, I want to calculate y minus 1 squared. From this identity, I know a minus b squared equal a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. So y minus 1 squared is y squared minus 2y plus 1 minus 4y squared plus 4y all over 2. So we conclude x equal to negative y plus 1 plus minus negative 3y squared plus 2y plus 1 all over 2. So here, because we know x and y should be integer from the assumption, the square root of this should be perfect square. So negative 3y squared is 2y plus 1 should be a perfect square. W. Now, y0 works. Y1, look, the left side is a quadratic function like this. For y0, w squared will be 1. For y1, it will be what 0. So here we can say, if you want to factorize, it will be y minus 1 is 1 factor, negative 3y plus 3y minus 1. Oh, factor, the roots are so y equal to 1 and negative 1 over 3. It's another one. We know that our answer should be between these two. And we know if we want to find this, 1 plus minus 1 over 3 over 2 will be 1 over 3. If you replace 1 over 3 here, it will be 1 over 3 minus 1, negative 2 over 3, 1 over 3 times negative 2, which will be negative 4 over 3, plus 4 over 3. So the only answer is only 1. So w squared 1 and also 0. If y is 1, w squared is 0. So w squared can be only 1 and 0, and we found y for this. Okay, so because after y1, it will be negative. So we should check only y1, y0. So the only two answers are possible, these two things, because if y is greater than 1, then this part will be negative, but w squared cannot be negative. Y be here, for example, -1 or something like this, again, it will be negative. So w squared is 1, this, so let's write. We can say if w be 0, first case, then x will be 1 plus minus y is 0. Root 1 over 2, which will be 1 plus minus 1 over 2, which will be 1 plus 1, 2 over 2, 1, and 0. If y is 1, then x is -1 plus 1, 0. Square root of -3 plus 2 plus 1, all over 2, which is 0. Our answers are x, y. Write all of them. Let me write with another color. x1, y0, x0, y0, x0, y1. Let's check main equation. X cubed minus y cubed over x squared minus y squared equal to 1. We know 0, 0 is impossible because the denominator will be 0. 1, 0 is okay. 0, 1 is also okay. So, found two answers for this problem. Okay, for having next questions, don't forget to subscribe, turn on notification, and like the video, please. And you can send message to my WhatsApp number for having more questions. Okay, have a great day. Bye.